I put the... You should have those flaps down.
That suspension actually worked pretty good. Hair of the field, as it were. Student fluid all over the grass.
How's he going?
He's going. He's on the road. Hits a sinkhole, he'll be sorry. I'm not towing it out.
It's got no clue to it.
I have no clue. It's going to get pretty warm.
Are you recording us?
Yep.
What can you see?
Make a big turn. Road gear, man. Light her up. She didn't fall apart yet. She's good. Stop it for a second. We're going to put the flaps down and it's coming together.
It went down, Mr. Ryan. You can't put the other one down, Mr. Nellum's in the way.
He's not scared of it now.
So it digs in?
Get out of the way.
Do I get a ride?
No, no.